Hey guys, Lunch here. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm here with Scarlett AJ.
Hello. And hey guys,
Yeah, since we're doing it at the same time. Anyways, we're at the Jama Journal where lemurs are finally here. I don't understand why
no,
they
we're
can't.
not. I'm doing the adventure.
Well, you're doing the adventure. I'm at the newspaper.
And I'm doing the adventure, and you're...
Shut up. Anyways, at the newspaper, lemurs are finally here, and there's a new adventure which I'll be doing in just a second. And now guys, I'm going to like every single masterpiece you have. So, yeah, and then there's adoption certificate for it. Okay, let's get on with it. I know, it's certificate. Certificate. Anyways, guys, we're in the adventure now, so let's continue on with this. Sir Gilbert has an awesome den. Wait, let's see you over here.
Yay,
Okay. I haven't even started yet.
I've already had the seats that are on.
Wow, there's hardly any lag when I'm a tiger.
Yes.
It is. Sir Gilbert, you're bigger than usual. Join the club, but I'm already joined. I already know what to do. I already did this. I tried to make a video before this, but it failed miserably.
And I made her the video.
Yeah, since it failed miserably.
No, I can't do that.
Yeah,
No.
well, I can't help you, so too bad.
I wish this was a multiplayer adventure.
I do too. I wish all adventures.
Or multiplayer.
Some are and some aren't.
I can't get it.
Let's continue on. Oh, I forgot the chest. Damn it. God, no, not this. No, Cosmo, I hate this.
Do that. Yes, do it.
I know, I hate the boom.
Yes, I finally got that thing.
I got two at the same time.
I'm trying to shoot that one. But I can't.
Can I shoot Cosmo for making us doing this?
No, I don't think you can. That would be not very scary. But
No, I missed! I was so close! This is so hard because of that one that's really high.
no, I'm gonna get killed.
Yes!
No.
You need a cord?
There's my cord. Before any other phantoms come out and kill me.
Okay, now we... Oh, what the heck are you saying?
I'm just reading
Now I have to get the
lag.
I'm getting no lag at all whatsoever, Scarlett.
I'm getting no lag.
Oh, hey, I found circuit. Oh, God, I'm becoming laggy. Never mind. Take that back. Oh, God.
Oh, yes, I am.
My friend, they need help, but they're just gonna have to die, 'cause, you know. I don't know how to save this friend, so I can't do anything about it. Sorry, brah.
Yes. Oh, wait, this is where this is. This is where the tiger passage is. Gotta go there.
I need the cord. Give me that cord, brah.
Get in that cord, bro.
Now let's go to the tiger passage. The tiger thing is so cool. Now let's see what I got. I got a phantom wall decal, whatever it is. It's kind of creepy, but I don't care.
I got a phantom wall salt.
What is ED Sol anyways?
I have no idea.
We're pretty stupid.
Yes.
How many tigers are trapped?
I don't know. A lot.
Ow. Frick. Eh. Eh. What the heck is this too?
Wow. Ow. This video is probably going to be called Adventure Fails on Camera. Oh no, splash ad. Why? Why splash ad? Why? Why? Splash ad.
There's probably a chest over there, but I don't care since I'm gonna get. Oh god. I need to go. I'm going back to go get the chest.
Don't kill me, please, please, please. No! I'm going
Frick,
back.
there is no chest. Okay, bon voyage, the world. Now I have to kill Phantom. I believe I can die. God! Everything is falling! No!
Get so much water. So I
Right.
need to plug this in.
Oh no, not this again.
Woo! I plugged through. Oh, yeah.
Not this again! The crystal.
Oh, you're at the crystal part.
Yeah.
It is actually, I tried doing this. It's so hard. Oh, wait. I don't see where. Oh, that's scary. But I made it. I can't get up. No.
No, I died! This is so hard, man! This is
So hard. It's too hard.
meh,
Unbelievably hard.
meh.
Oh. Never mind. Found the thing.
No, no! I'm too young to die! I mean, I'm not that young.
Well,
Pretty old, actually. You know what? Let's stop talking about that. Ugh! You know what? I can't reach anything. Let's try red. No! Okay, red won't work. Let's try blue. No! Blue won't work. Ah! Run for your life. Run for your life. Run like the wind. Run like the wind.
the video.
Yay, I got the chest, I got the chest. Oh god, that stupid prize. Where am I supposed to go? That's my question. Oh god. Where am I supposed to go?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm supposed to go down there. Oh. Bring me down like there's no tomorrow. Nope. I didn't actually mean die. Darn it. Gosh diggity darn. Now I gotta do this all again. Oh god. No. 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 Come on. No. Every. And I don't know how to do this. I only have 1 heart left. I honestly don't know how to do this, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all you guys in the next video. Please.
I didn't even realize that you were still recording.
Sorry. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh my god, Scarlet.